So hello everyone and welcome back to another episode of our MATHFLEX. So for today, we have again another interesting equation wherein we are asked again to find the value of x given that 9 raised to x minus 7 times 3 raised to x is equal to negative 10. Okay, so how do we solve a problem like this? So if you would notice that you have 3 raised to x here, so and 9 is factorable by 3 or is a factor of 3. So if I will try to make 9 as 3 squared here, and then this would be raised to x minus 7, and then 3 raised to x. And let's try to equate all terms to 0. So if I'll put this negative 10 on the other side of the equation, so plus 10 is equal to 0. Okay, so again, I want to make this one same as 3 raised to x. So you have 3 squared there, raised to x. So if you will remember our rule of exponents, if you have a raised to m, raised to n, this can be rewritten as a raised to n, raised to m. So in other words, these two exponents here can be interchanged. Okay, can be interchanged. So let's try. So I have here now 3 raised to x squared minus 7, 3 raised to x plus 10, okay, is equal to 0. Okay, so now you have 3 raised to x here, 3 raised to x here. So let's try to do substitution, wherein you have let u be your 3 raised to x. Okay, so let u be your 3 raised to x. So in this case, you have 3 raised to x squared. So that will be u squared now minus 7u plus 10 is equal to 0. Okay. Now this is a quadratic equation wherein I think it's factorable. So think two factors of positive 10 that when you add them, you'll get negative 7. So obviously you will have here what? U minus 5, then u minus 2 is equal to 0. So you have two values of u here. The first one is u is equal to 5, and the second one is u is equal to 2. Okay? So these are not our final answer here. So note that u is equal to 3 raised to x. So therefore, if I have 3 raised to x is equal to u, so the first value of u is 5. So if I want to take the value of x here, if I'll take the logarithms or natural logarithms of both sides, so this will be ln 3 raised to x is equal to 5. Then this can be rewritten as x ln 3 is equal to 5. Ln 5, sorry. So therefore, your x here is equal to ln 5 divided by ln 3. So you can leave your answer like this, or if you have your calculator with you, you can calculate it as ln 5 divided by ln 3. You will get around 1.46. So that would be our first value of x. Second value of x, you have 3 raised to x is equal to 2. So therefore, x here is equal to ln 2 divided by ln 3, which is ln 2 divided by ln 3.63. Okay. So if you try to substitute these values, you should get, from here, you should get the sum, a sum of 0, or you can, you should arrive at 0. If you substitute x is equal to 1.46 and x is equal to 0.63. Okay? So again, more of this problem on our succeeding videos. Till next time, guys. Bye-bye.